Welcome back. You're watching Weekend Prime. Now, the festive season is here, and one would expect a mad rush for public transport as witnessed in the past. On the contrary, there is an abundance of vehicles in most bus termini here in the city, and our crew visited the Nairobi CBD with less numbers of travelers. This has largely been attributed to the effects of coronavirus, which has ripped livelihoods apart. To some, the high fare prices meant they cannot travel to their loved ones. The directive by the Ministry of Health that one has to show proof of vaccination before they board a PSV was, however, not being enforced by most of the transporters. Our reporter Fred Kagonya with more.
Geoffrey Mogera has been here since morning, and he doesn't know how long it will take him to get home. The bus that he booked back in November was supposed to leave at 8 a.m., but it didn't. It instead transported people who had spent the night here because their bus was a no-show as well.
Sasa kupanda gari, watu wa jana tumeshukishwa, tupatie watu wa priority, watu wa wenye walilala jana. Sasa tukiuliza shida ni nini, wanatuambia sijui wako na go slow.
His frustrations, however, are unique to him. Jackson Munyere, a SACCO official with matatus plying the Nanyuki route, says the number of people traveling has been low compared to yesteryears before Covid-19 happened.
Hii ni kubaya sababu ya vile kulikuwa kumefungwa. Manake sisi msimu hii tunakuwaga hata watu ukiangalia vile watu wanakuja hata wao wamefinyirika, hawana chochote. Hata tunajaribu kuangalia vile tunaweza kuwasaidia, lakini hakuna namna, manake ni hivyo mambo ilivyo.
On a normal day at a time like this, Kennedy Peter would be doing his maths after supplying the Mlolongo region with milk, a job he says has kept him in the big city. But today, being the Christmas Eve, he has packed everything and his mission is to put a smile on the faces of his family members in Kitui.
Christmas inamaanisha kukutana pamoja, muna share. Mimi nimejikinga sana. Si unaona venye nimeweka mask hivi. Najikinga sana, niko na vaccines zote nimepokea.
James Getere says he is ready for the festive period. All he needs now is to be at work and help other families get to their destinations safely.
Mimi mambo ya Christmas nimeshamalizana naye. Ni kwa sababu unajua ni kitu inakuja once per year. Si wakati yule Christmas imefika ndio unajipanga familia yako utaifanyia nini.
For Wycliffe Angaya, the low turnout of people traveling up country means that he has less luggage to carry, which also means he has less money for him and his family, who he says are looking up to him to make this holiday memorable.
Sema ukweli, kulingana sana biashara mwaka huu, mambo ya Covid imetuumiza sana. Sasa hakuna kitu napata. Afadhali pale nyuma kulikuwa biashara ilikuwa mzuri, lakini sasa biashara imetupeleka chini. Sasa kuna kitu napata. Hata tuko kwa nyumba wanaumia, hatuna kitu ya kuwapea. Jioni ikifika kuna kitu ya kupeleka meza kwa watoto.
For Eglen Anyoso, high bus fares to the western part of the country is what dissuaded her from traveling. She says she chose to work throughout this period all in a bid to increase her income, which has also been turned upside down by the virus.
Na mimi naona kuliko kwenda western, afadhali nifanye biashara, nizalishe hiyo pesa, niwatumie tu pesa ya Christmas watumie.
People using the Nairobi-Naivasha road and the Thika Nyeri highway took to social media to post the infamous traffic jams that have become synonymous with this festive period. Clips and photos shared online show packed cars and overlapping ones as everyone tries to snake their way out of the traffic with no way out. Fred Kagonye, KTN News.
And away from that, more than 5 decades, a series of attacks characterized